welcome to the WordPress class number 4. In this video we will learn how we can create a slider for your WordPress website. So in this video I'm gonna use a simple plugin. The name of plugin is the meta slider. This plugin will work on any WordPress theme. You can apply this method on any WordPress theme and you can create a simple slider for your WordPress. So let's go to the computer and I will show how we can install and where we will get the meta slider and how we will adjust the slider on our WordPress theme. So let's go on the computer. So guys, finally I'm here on my computer. So in the last video we was learn how to create a drop-down menus. Like you can see here, we was learn how to create a drop-down menus like these. So in this video we will see how we can make our own meta slider. We can make a slider like this. We have a demo slider. You can see these are the sliders. So in this video we will make our own slider. So I'm gonna use the one plugin which the name of plugin is meta slider. So I'm here in my dashboard. I'm already logged in. So simply you have to become here in the plugins options and then you have to add new, and then you can see here the upload plugin, and also you can search here. This plugin is free, not a premium, so you can just copy the name of plugin and just type, or you can type here. So I just type the name here, and now you can see this is a meta slider. There are the two type of meta slider. You can see the meta slider lightbox, and this is a simple meta slider. So I'm gonna use this one. Simply click here and install now. So when it's done, you can see here the activate option. Just click here and activate. So guys, you can see here our meta slider, and also as well as here you can see the meta slider. So in this video I already downloaded the fake pictures for my slider. I showed you the one website where you can get a lot of high resolution pictures. The name of website is unsplash.com. unsplash.com. You have to visit on this website. You can get here even the 4K wallpapers, high resolution for your computer, for your meta slider, for your slider. So you can get any picture from here, from this website. I will give the link in the description box. You can get. So I'm here now. I'm gonna click on the meta slider. So this is the meta slider simple interface. You can see here the new, click here new, and then you have to select the name, new slideshow. I'm gonna type here the slide one or home page slide, home page. So now you have to here, you can click here and you can add your slides. I'm just gonna click here, and now you can upload your images. So guys, you can see here the post feed, Vimeo, YouTube, and layer slide. So you can also add a video on your slider. So I just gonna select the photos, some of photos. So I already uploaded, so I already downloaded. So I just gonna select file. I have selected 3 photos for my slider. So now it's uploading. So uploading is done. Now I have to click here and add to slide, and now you can see here the width and height and effect. So I just gonna add the width is 1000 and height is 720. Height 1000 and height is 720. You can also add 480. And now here is the effect. So I just gonna select the effect, and here is the effects. You can see the fade, slide down, up, whatever you have to select here the selects, and you can see the arrow. If you want to show the arrow like these are the arrows. So if you want to show, just check in, and if you don't, so just simply click here and uncheck, and if you want, just check this box. Okay, so here is the dots navigations. I'll let you know these are the dots. So if you want, just simply click on the dots, and if you don't want, click on the hide button. Okay, I don't want, so I just click on the hide button. And also here have the little bit information. You can add your caption, and you can link your slider picture with any other page. Simply paste here the link, and you can connect your slider with another page. And here is the caption you can add. So you can add here any text, whatever you want you can add here. So for example, I just gonna select this one. Okay, so welcome to our page, and so this is my title and the caption, and you can add here the link. So that these are the settings. So after you have done, simply click on the save. And one more thing you have to do. Now we already saved here, and I will refresh the page. You will see nothing change. The slider are the same like before, the demo slider. So one thing we have to do again. Now I'll let you show. Okay, I just refresh the page. You can see that nothing are changed. So one thing we have to do again, we have to go in appearance and the theme setting. So I'm here in my theme setting. Now I have to go in the home, and you can see the home page slider. And here is the demo slider are selected. So that's why I can't see my own sliders. So we have to change. I was change the name of my slider, the home page, and now go down and save changes. And now I gonna refresh the page, and now guys, you can see my slider is here. You can see my welcome to our page. I was put the name of this caption. You can see here, and here is the arrows, my another photos. You can see you can add your height, width. I think the 420 is better because the pictures quality is a little bit damaged. So I think 480 is better. More than 720, you can add the 480. So this was the method how to add your own slider. I hope you like, and you must be understand how to add your slider. This was a simple meta slider plugin. You can add this plugin on any website, any WordPress theme. So I hope you will like this video. Please, if you like, please like and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to click on the bell icon. See you in the next one. If you have any question, please leave a comment below. So thanks for watching.